Imagine standing at the foot of a mountain in the middle of the night. The ground trembles beneath your feet, the smell of sulfur hangs in the air, and a red flash cuts through the darkness. Then, glowing fragments of rock burst from the summit, and for a moment, the entire sky appears to be on fire. In a place like this, the world feels almost unreal. Surrounded by forces this powerful, it becomes impossible to ignore just how small we truly are. Deep beneath our feet, magma is moving, gases are building pressure, and molten rock is searching for a path toward the surface. Most volcanoes can remain silent for decades, or even centuries, but not every volcano sleeps. Inside some of them, the movement continues almost without pause. They release lava and ash so frequently that the people living nearby have learned to accept danger as part of everyday life. Today, we are traveling to 5 of the most active volcanoes on Earth. We will begin in Hawaii, continue to the populated slopes of Sicily and Japan, encounter the deadly ash clouds of Indonesia, and finally reach a volcano that has illuminated the Mediterranean for more than 2,000 years. Welcome to the journey. 5. Kīlauea, Hawaii's volcano of fire. In the middle of the Pacific Ocean rises an island chain that would not exist without volcanoes. The Hawaiian Islands were formed eruption by eruption, as lava rising from the ocean floor cooled and gradually created new land. One of the most famous forces behind this continuing process is Kīlauea. It rises approximately 1,247 meters above sea level, but its importance cannot be measured by its height. Kīlauea has been active for much of the past century, and its lava has repeatedly traveled all the way to the ocean. An eruption does not always begin with an explosion. Sometimes, a crack simply opens in the ground, and glowing lava begins to flow forward, covering forests and roads before eventually hardening into black rock. In 2018, lava reached residential areas, destroyed hundreds of buildings, and forced entire communities to abandon their homes. Kīlauea proves that a force of nature does not need to move quickly to become unstoppable. 4. Mount Etna, the giant of Sicily. On the eastern coast of Sicily, the summit of the same mountain can be covered in snow in the morning and illuminated by red lava at night. Mount Etna rises to approximately 3,300 meters, although repeated eruptions are constantly reshaping its summit. It is the tallest active volcano in Europe, and written accounts of its eruptions date all the way back to ancient times. More than 1 million people live around Etna. Towns stretch across its slopes, and vineyards grow in soil created by earlier eruptions. Volcanic ash makes the land exceptionally fertile. The same eruptions that can destroy buildings also help produce grapes, olives, and citrus fruit. Etna reminds us of the two-sided power of volcanoes. A mountain can take everything away, while at the same time providing soil, livelihoods, and a place to call home. 3. Sakurajima, Japan's natural alarm clock. In southern Japan, the day can begin with gray ash falling from the sky. Dust gathers on cars, streets become covered in a pale layer, and school children sometimes carry protective helmets in case volcanic rocks fall from above. In almost any other place, this scene could signal an emergency, but near Sakurajima, it is part of ordinary life. Standing approximately 1,117 meters tall, Sakurajima erupts so frequently that small explosions no longer surprise the people living nearby. Even so, the volcano is constantly monitored because the city of Kagoshima, home to hundreds of thousands of people, lies directly beside it. In 1914, Sakurajima revealed its true power. The eruption produced lava flows so enormous that the island, which had previously been separated from the mainland, became permanently connected to Japan. A single eruption changed the map. Today, the ash is swept away, daily life continues, and the mountain waits for its next eruption. 2. Merapi, Java's deadliest volcano. On the Indonesian island of Java, the slopes of Merapi appear green and full of life. Villages, fields, and forests extend high around the mountain, but the smoke drifting above its summit reveals that the volcano is not resting. Standing approximately 2,930 meters tall, Merapi's name means Mountain of Fire. It erupts regularly, but its greatest danger is not slowly moving lava. Merapi is known for its pyroclastic flows, avalanches of superheated gas, ash, and rock that can race down the mountainside at hundreds of kilometers per hour. They are impossible to outrun. In 2010, an eruption killed more than 300 people and forced hundreds of thousands to leave their homes. And yet, people continue to return because the soil on the volcano's slopes is extremely fertile and provides a livelihood for a vast population. Merapi makes the relationship between humanity and nature painfully clear. The same mountain that sustains life can become deadly in a matter of moments. 1. Stromboli, the Lighthouse of the Mediterranean. Imagine sailing across the Mediterranean at night, during an age when maps were unreliable and no electric lights could be seen on the horizon. Far away in the darkness, a red light flashes. A moment later, it appears again. It is not a lighthouse, it is a volcano. Rising from the center of a small island north of Sicily, Stromboli has been erupting almost continuously for more than 2,000 years. Its small explosions launch glowing lava into the air, often several times every hour. Above sea level, Stromboli rises approximately 924 meters, but most of the volcano remains hidden beneath the water. Measured from the sea floor, the entire mountain stands more than 3,000 meters tall. The consistency of its eruptions is what makes Stromboli truly extraordinary. It has continued its fiery rhythm through the rise and fall of empires, through wars, and through entire civilizations. At night, its eruptions can be seen far out at sea. For this reason, sailors have called Stromboli the Lighthouse of the Mediterranean for centuries. Few places demonstrate more clearly that our planet is still alive. Volcanoes are among the most magnificent forces of nature. They are awe-inspiring, relentless, and almost unimaginably powerful. They are windows into the interior of the Earth, places where we can witness the forces that are still shaping our planet. Volcanoes can destroy homes, bury cities beneath ash, and force entire communities to flee. At the same time, they create new land, enrich the soil, and make life possible in regions inhabited by millions of people. Deep beneath our feet, the Earth is still changing. Thank you for watching. We will continue exploring our planet in the next video.